Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of withdrawing funds from your Vantage trading account to your Binance wallet. This step-by-step tutorial will ensure a smooth and secure transfer. So let's get started. Before we start, ensure you have the following: an active Vantage trading account with available funds, a verified Binance account, access the both accounts, and any necessary authentication methods. So let's start by initiating the withdrawal from Vantage. First, log into your Vantage client portal. Now navigate to the funds section. Click on withdraw funds. Choose cryptocurrency as your withdrawal method. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to use. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Paste your Binance wallet address corresponding to the selected cryptocurrency. Confirm the withdrawal details and submit the request. Ensure that the wallet address matches the cryptocurrency selected to avoid any loss of funds. Now let's retype the wallet address from Binance. Log into your Binance account, then navigate to the wallet section and select final NS port. Click on deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you selected on Vantage. Select the appropriate network. Copy the wallet address provided. Ensure that the network selected on Binance matches the one used on Vantage to prevent any transfer issues. Withdrawals via cryptocurrency are generally proceed within 0 to 2 business days. That's it. That's how you can withdraw funds from your Vantage account to your Binance wallet. Always double check all details to ensure a smooth transaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.